Ever wondered what sets the Audi R8 and Lamborghini Huracan on fire? Well, today, let's unwrap the excitement and dive into these supercars. But here's the twist. Did you know they share some serious family ties? Yep, it's a family affair in the world of speed. We will compare not just the looks, but the powerhouse beneath as both rides share a V10 engine. Let's get started. Engine comparison. Now, let's pop open the hood and peek at the heart of these speed machines. The Audi R8 and Lamborghini Huracan both flaunt an identical 5.2 V10 naturally aspirated engine. It's like they share the same DNA. And here's the plot twist. Audi is the big sibling owning Lamborghini. Imagine having a family reunion at the racetrack. Performance specs. Alright, now for the nitty-gritty. How fast can these beasts go? The Audi R8 brings a 5.2-liter V10 to the table, pumping out horsepower ranging from 562 to 602, with a torque of 406 to 413 pound-feet. Zooming from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 to 3.5 seconds, it hits a top speed of 201 to 205 miles per hour. Meanwhile, the Lamborghini Huracan steps it up with 602 to 640 and 413 to 443 pound-feet of torque. It can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 to 3.1 seconds, boasting a top speed of 201 to 211 miles per hour. Drivetrain and handling. Moving on, let's talk about how these road rockets handle the asphalt. The Audi R8, sporting a mid-mounted 5.2-liter V10, lets you choose between a 7-speed S-tronic or a 6-speed manual. Plus, it's got Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, making sure you stay glued to the road, rain or shine. Now onto the Lamborghini Huracan. It's got the same mid-mounted 5.2-liter V10, but it's rocking a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The all-wheel drive system is top-notch, adjusting torque between front and rear axles as needed. Price comparison. Now, let's talk turkey, or rather, dollars. These rides are not just about speed. They come with a price tag that might make your wallet shiver. The Audi R8, ranging from $142,700 to $208,100, is like that sleek gadget you've been eyeing. On the other side of the pit stop, the Lamborghini Huracan is playing in the big league, starting at $203,674 and stretching up to $257,725. It's like choosing between a weekend getaway and a first-class flight. The Huracan, a bit pricier, promises more thrills. Interior features. Lamborghini Huracan. Now, let's dive into the cockpit of the Lamborghini Huracan. Luxury meets racing vibes in this high-octane space. The digital gauges on the dash aren't just numbers. They're your car's heartbeat, oil pressure, oil temperature, and battery levels all laid out in a futuristic dance. And those paddle shifters, they won't budge, giving you a smooth gear-changing experience even when the road's throwing curveballs. Switching gears, the driving modes, Strada, Sport, and Corsa are like costume changes for your car, adapting to different moods. Interior features. Audi R8 V10 Plus. Now on to the Audi R8 V10 Plus. The interior here is a different story, a blend of luxury and practicality. Carbon interior trim adds a sporty touch, heating up those seats for a cozy drive. Climate control, check. Bang, and a Lufsen sound system, double check. It's like stepping into a high-tech lounge where every button pressed is a symphony of comfort. The Audi R8 V10 Plus takes practicality up a notch. Reverse parking sensors and a camera. Features that might sound mundane but add a touch of everyday usability, often missing in the world of supercars. It's like having the best of both worlds, the thrill of a race car and the comfort of a daily driver. The Audi R8 V10 Plus seems to balance performance and daily usability with finesse, offering a more approachable supercar experience. Road test. Lamborghini Huracan. Let's talk about taking these speed demons for a spin and see how they handle the real deal on the roads. First up, the Lamborghini Huracan, promising a wild ride that'll get your heart racing. It's got different driving modes, Strada, Sport, and Corsa. Each mode is like trying out a new flavor of ice cream, giving you a different vibe behind the wheel. As we roll with the Huracan on the streets, we're checking out how it handles turns, bumps, and just the whole driving scene. There's this cool thing called a nose lift, not just a fancy feature but a handy tool to tweak stuff based on the roads. When it kicks into Corsa mode, it's like going full race mode with a bumpy ride that adds some serious excitement. And don't forget that V10 engine growling right behind you. It's like the car's way of saying, hold on tight, we're in for a ride. Now, while everyone loves the Huracan for its looks and thrilling drives, we're also throwing some practical questions its way. How easy is it for everyday stuff? That's the real test. This brings us to the showdown with its rival, the Audi R8 V10 Plus. Road test, Audi R8 V10 Plus. Switching gears, now it's the Audi R8 V10 Plus hitting the road. The video shows it as a nimble and quick player. Jumping into dynamic mode and kicking the exhaust into sports mode, the Audi dances on the roads. They say it's like driving an Audi TT with a V10 engine, fast and practical. The Audi R8 V10 Plus isn't just about speed. It's about how smooth it handles the roads. Even in dynamic mode, the ride is comfy and easy. It's like the road and the car are having a casual chat, and each turn is just another part of the conversation. The engine noise is not as wild as the Lamborghini, but it's got its own groove. The Audi hums through the corners, proving it's not just about power, it's about power with a touch of practicality. In this road test face-off, both cars are putting their game on display. Whether it's the loud and roaring Huracan or the more down-to-earth Audi R8 V10 Plus, each has its own style. In conclusion, the Audi R8 and Lamborghini Huracan are two of the most thrilling and impressive sports cars on the market today. Remember to hit that like button if the V10 Symphony spoke to your soul, and subscribe for more heart-pounding comparisons in the future. Until next time, stay fast, stay furious.